I'm Max Dalton, and in this video, I'll show you how to see your PS5's remote connection history. This will show you a clear list of all of the users who have connected to your console using the Remote Play feature. Step 1. Navigate to your PlayStation 5 home screen and then click Settings. Step 2. Click System in the Settings menu. The associated screen opens. Step 3. Click Remote Play in the list of options on the left side of the screen, and then click Connection History in the menu on the right side of the screen. The PS5 Connection History screen opens, where you'll see a list of all of the players who have connected to your PS5 using the Remote Play feature and when they were connected. You can click any of these sessions to see more information. Let me know if this video helped you out in the comments below. If you liked what you saw here, click the video links on the right side of the screen to check out another video. Or click the logo on the left side of the screen to check out my tutorial website at www.maxdalton.how.